So hey guys, Motorola is anticipated to debut the Edge 40 series of flagship phones in the global market shortly, which they should have done a long time ago. Anyway, a recent report revealed the complete Edge 40 and Edge 40 Pro specifications. As we all know, the Edge 40 Pro will be a rebranded variant of the Chinese Moto X40 smartphone. But I am talking about the Edge 40, which will be a completely brand new phone for the worldwide market. This specs caught my interest, and we also have a first look and some surprising pricing details. Starting with the CPU, the Edge 40 is said to be driven by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 CPU. Let me inform you that this is an unannounced CPU, which means that MediaTek has yet to release it. There is no information about this CPU at this time, but some source claims that this is equivalent to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Let's see, when this phone goes on sale we will learn more. Talking about the renders, the Edge 40's overall look is similar to that of the Edge 40 Pro. The vanilla model has a curved edge AMOLED screen on the front and a square-shaped camera island on the back panel, which contains two cameras and a set of LED flash units. A detailed look at the camera module verifies that the Edge 40 has a 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS. Motorola's Batwing logo can also be seen on the device's back surface. Let's take a look at some of the device's other key specifications. The Edge 40 will have a 6.55 inches AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 144Hz. The device will have a 8 GB of RAM as well as 128 GB and 256 GB of storage. It will be loaded with a 4400 mAh cell, 68 watt turbo power charging and a 15 watt wireless charging. Now coming to the pricing, so the Edge 40 Pro will be offered at €899 in Europe according to the source Snoopy Tech. Now as per source, the base model of the Motorola Edge 40 Pro with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage will cost €599. I hope the price information is true. Motorola has been doing some excellent things recently, but these phones should have been released much sooner. So what are your thoughts on the Edge 40? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.